You guys hearing something? Check the bathroom.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh! Here we go!
Huh? You want mate?
Oh. Hi.
Central Missouri, as well as west central and southwest Illinois for today and tonight. Sleet warnings is in effect for parts of southeastern Missouri and southern Illinois tonight into Thursday morning. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday.
This is a test that no other radio's warning alarm system.
Water activation is not anticipated through tonight. 11:04 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This is Nora.
Severe weather in the area. However, first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary within from the transmitter. This may occur even if you're using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to our regular programming.
Light wind. Tonight, mostly clear.
Wow, okay.
Light wind indicator. Skies were sunny. The temperature was 45 degrees. The dew point was 26. And the Thursday night, clear. Low in the upper 20s to mid-30s. Light wind.
Was not expecting Lincoln first.
Sunny.
Wow.
High in the lower 50s. Partly sunny and the temperature was 40. In St. Louis, it was...
Welcome home!
Which were just broadcast will automatically hazardous weather and emergency situations. The alert tones which were just... This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. Pending noise, weather is imminently occurring. This test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KXI79 listening area in Illinois. Activated for the following counties in the KXI42 listening area in Illinois. Marion, Bond, Clinton, Fayette, Jefferson, Washington, and Wayne. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. The wind will reset after the test. Weather conditions concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. The wind will southwest at 3 miles an hour. It's sunny in Mount Vernon with a temperature of 42. At Taylorville, the temperature was 41 degrees. In Springfield, it was sunny with a temperature of 39. In Carbondale, it was partly sunny and the temperature was 40. In St. Louis, it was partly sunny and 45 degrees.
Welcome home, KXI79. Welcome home.